Hi kids! Let's learn the word family of short vowel sound U. U says a, N says na, U N un. Very good. Repeat with me. U says a, N says na, U N un. U says a, N says na, U N un. S says sa, S U N sun. S H says sure, S H U N shun. G says ga, G U N gun. B says ba, B U N bun. R says ra, R U N run. F says fa, F U N fun. N says na, N U N none. S P says spur, S P U N spun. S T says stir, S T U N stun. Very good. Now what's next? U says a, M says ma, U M Very good. Again. U says a, M says ma, U M U says a, M says ma, U M G says ga, G U M gum. D R says dr, D R U M drum. B says ba, B U M bum. P L says plur, P L U M plum. S L slur, S L U M slum. M says ma, M U M mum. H says ha, H U M hum. S says sir, S U M sum. Y says yo, Y U M yum. Good. Write the following words in the comments. Click on the bell icon for upcoming videos. Mother Phonics, give your child lifetime love of reading and writing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.